Alright, so in this video we are going to learn about how to convert a horizontal video to a vertical TikTok short, reel or a story, or 16:9 ratio video to a 9:16 ratio video. Here is a video and you can see that it's horizontal, not vertical video, so I can choose this size first. First of all, you need to choose the size 9:16. This is the ratio for your shorts, reels and TikTok videos. So you just stay here, and at this place I'm gonna zoom. I just like play this one. First of all, you need to decrease the volume, and if I play, my video is there, so my short is ready, but it's vertical. So what I can do, I just stay on the video, go to video, and here I give a first keyframe, and now at this keyframe I want to zoom the area I want to show in this screen. So this is right now here, and keep playing. Okay, here I press stop button and this one is still here, and now I need to move this one a little bit here. Alright, so once the window opens, I need to move this one to show this area right at this place. Now my window is going out of screen, so what I can do, just move this area back to the window here, and here you see that I added first keyframe. The other keyframes are automatically added whenever I move my window. So let's move to the next part. Okay, now once again I need to shift to this place here. Keep moving like this one. Alright, so this is my window here right now. I want to show this part.
I killed it, it's murder.
Boom, here you go. So now if I play my video, it would look like this one. Let's play the video now, full screen like this one, and let's play. To learn how to free up the space on your Windows, go to stop menu, here type storage sense and storage settings. Here you will find a lot of different options. Go to show more categories, and here you can delete unnecessary files and temporary files as well. As you can see, there are a lot of temporary files. You can select and delete all of them, and in the meantime you can select this feature and delete all the unnecessary files here, and go back to the storage sense, and here you mails, music and unnecessary videos. For example, this is a video, this one I want to delete, and that's it. Close this one and you go back, you will see that the video has been deleted and the storage is alright. Now subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one. Alright, so this is how you can easily convert any video with the help of these keyframes. I hope you like this video, and if you like, thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.